Okay guys, this is part 2. I rebuild what it destroyed, like it destroyed this. I rebuilt it to the cool, awesome, the Ultra DB. That's 1 million DB. It's failed. And this is Ultra DB. Look. You can't see it because it's super fast. And I added some more dispensers over here. And I add some decoration and like this plasma chamber which has plasma water on it. So that's cool though. And I got this lava right here. That's cool, bro. That's cool. And I added some chests for storage. And this is the best one. And brick slabs, so no water can destroy this redstone. Yeah, this is cool, right? Look, no, look. Okay, I'm gonna press this button. Oh my god, it launched me hard. If your friend had a blimp that is super strong, just build this. It even launched me. That's why it's dangerous. It launch you like 10 blocks. 10 blocks, I think. Now, this is a pretty cool upgrade. I'm sick right now. I cannot even speak, bro. So, that's all. Bye. Oh, I'm not gonna buy again. Well, I upgraded this like orbital airstrike. I upgraded and I added like 3 more dispensers and let's click it. There we go. Boom. It fires like 16 at a time. So I'm sorry, I'm 5% battery right now. My phone is super dead. Okay. And I'm gonna build another super high-tech TNT launcher. High-tech TNT launcher later. So guys, bye.